Hey, good morning. Well, we're making some progress finally. Today's an exciting day. We're getting ready to start some spray foam. So we got IBP here, and they're going to help us do all the spray foam in the house. Today they're going to be working on putting 2 inches of closed cell spray foam in all the exterior walls and also on the roof deck. Probably going to take them a couple days just to do the closed cell, and then they're going to come back and actually do a 6-inch thickness of open cell spray foam on the roof deck as well. And so we just went over all the details of exactly all those things and just making sure they understand that we're trying to make this house as airtight as possible. I've gotten it all buttoned up as best I could, got it all cleaned. I spent numerous hours just vacuuming and prepping all the walls so there's no dirt or debris in the cavities, so that everything hopefully will be nice and tight and clean. And yeah, just making sure that we do this thing the right way. So, and then we also have a crew here from Southern Lumber. They're a window and door crew. They're here taking a look at our Marvin doors. I didn't realize this when we ordered them, but the Marvin doors actually have adjustable hinges on them, and they're not exactly set just perfectly yet. So they're going to try to adjust those hinges for us and get those doors just right, because they have what they call a 3-point action on them. And you can actually, I'll show you when I'm talking about adjustable hinges. So we got like a little adjustment screw here, and then there's a adjustment up underneath the actual main bolt of the hinge. But these doors actually have what we call a 3-point locking status or locking mechanism here. So instead of like your normal doors that just push down and you open them up, this you can actually pull up on the handle, and it locks the bottom and the top all built into the actual door itself. And then of course you would push down and it would unlock it. So a little bit higher end doors have to take a little bit more work to get just right. After we get closed cell spray foam and open cell spray foam done this week, we're going to start HVAC next week. We got Carolina Custom Air coming in to do that. So that'll be an exciting step too. Get all our air handlers and duct work ran. And then after that, we can get the plumber in here and the electrician and low voltage stuff. So yeah, one step at a time. Oh, by the way, we also got all of our strapping put up too. So if you notice, all of our strapping is in 1x4s. We're nailed to each of the roof trusses and ceiling joists that's in the ceiling. Again, that gives us a chase way later, since we're not putting any insulation in here. We can always use this to run wires later up in the ceiling, because now we have a 3/4 inch gap between the actual ceiling joists and the drywall. So you can run wires horizontally and vertically in the roof without having to drill a bunch of holes in your ceiling to modify things later if you want to. Plus, when they do it initially, when they run all the wires and things initially, it'll be easy for them to do without having to drill a bunch of holes and stuff. So hopefully that's the idea. Plus it gives the structure of the ceiling even more gluing area, because we're going to glue and screw the drywall on. And then also too, there was places in the ceiling joists and the roof rafters that weren't exactly flat. So my guys actually shimmed where it wasn't flat, so try to make the ceiling as flat as possible as well. So no big humps and everything. Not worried about the walls, because again, you remember we showed you that we used LSL studs for all the walls. All of our walls are basically true and flat. So we should be pretty good on the walls. But yeah, so that's it from Pineland Cottage. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So until next time, we'll talk to you soon.